Good morning, dear students. Today's lesson is conditionals as it's seen in front of you. We have taken conditionals before and we know that there are four conditionals for zero, first, second, and third. Zero conditional talks about facts, something that is sure to happen, no other possible action, zero possibility. So if I, for example, let the pen out of my hand, what happens to it? Of course it shall not fly. Only one probable action that happens, which is it falls down. If you put water in the freezer at 0 degrees Celsius for 3 hours, what happens to it? It freezes. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils, and so on. I also use zero conditional to talk about habits. About something that is logic to happen. Okay, like for example, she always comes to me if she comes to my home if she doesn't find me at work. So zero conditional talks about facts. Okay, let's move to first conditional. First conditional, for example, if the weather is nice, we will go for a walk. Here I move from zero possibility to possibility, possible action. If you don't apologize, she will never trust you again. Here, if clause is in the present simple and the main clause is in the future simple, like is going to or will plus infinitive. The first conditional refers to the present and the future. It expresses a possible condition and its probable result in the future. Second conditional is totally different because it comes out of my imagination. Jack wants to buy a house, but he can't do this because he doesn't have any money right now. So, if he had a lot of money, he would buy a big house. Does he have the money? No. Can he buy the house? No. So here, when I use if, I'm just giving I'm talking about unreal present, the opposite of the present. Okay, so the second conditional talks about unreal present or future, while the zero conditional was talking about real possibility in the present. Susan wants to phone Paul, but she cannot do this because she doesn't know his number. If I knew his number, I would phone him. Does she know the number? No. So it is unreal present to be able to call him. Here, if I had a lot of money, I would buy a big house. If I know his number, I would phone him. Past tense in the if clause, past simple, and the present conditional or future conditional in the main clause is would or could or might plus infinitive. The second conditional refers to present and future, but it expresses an unreal situation and its probable result. The situation or condition is improbable, impossible, or something imaginary, or opposite to known facts, something that is opposite to reality. The difference between first and second conditional is that both conditionals refer to the present and future. The difference is about probability, not time. First conditional is real and possible situation, but the second conditional unlikely to happen, something that is not real to happen, something that comes out of my imagination. Like, for example, when I want to advise someone, I say, if I were you, I would study. Can I be him? Of course not. It's only out of my imagination. So, first and second conditional talk about the present, but one of them is possible to happen, while the other one is unreal or cannot happen. Let's move to the third conditional, which talks about the past. Jack wanted to buy a house last year, but he couldn't do that because he didn't have any money at that time. So nowadays, when he talks about the past situation that he couldn't do or that he could do, he uses the past perfect. If I had had a lot of money, I would have bought a big house, but I didn't have, that's why I didn't buy. Here, yesterday Susan also wanted to phone Paul, but she didn't have his number. That's why she couldn't phone him. So when she regrets past situation, she says, if I had known his number, I would have phoned him. So in the third conditional, I use in the if clause, past perfect, which is had and past participle, and the main clause, which talks about the past conditional, would have and past participle. Third conditional refers to the past and it is not based on facts. It expresses that the situation which is contrary to the reality in the past, which she regrets or something that I criticize somebody else for. There is a difference between second and third conditionals. If I saw a car accident, I would call an ambulance. But I don't see an accident now. This is unlikely to happen. If I had seen a car accident, I would have called an ambulance. But I didn't see the accident yesterday. This is the difference between present and past conditional, second and third. It talks about time, not reality. First and second talks about if the situation is real or not, while second and third talks about the time. The difference is about the time. Second conditional refers to the present and future unreal situation, while third conditional refers to the past unreal situation. Here I have finished the four main conditionals that we have taken. The cases, not the the regular cases, not the irregular cases. Next video, inshallah, I will explain unless and the irregular cases. I wish that you understood this. Material will be uploaded. Wish you a very good day. Thank you very much.